Bird number 1. This bird has a wingspan of 24 centimetres. It has been known to use conifer needles as tools to pull insect larvae out of trees. And it sounds like this. Bird number 2. Bird number 2 has a wingspan of 26 centimetres. Its song has influenced works of art by Robert Burns and Beethoven. And it sounds like this. Bird number 3. Bird number 3 has a wingspan of only 20 centimetres. Its name comes from its song and it is said to announce the arrival of spring. And it sounds like this. Bird number 4. Bird number 4 has a wingspan of 22 centimetres. This bird diverged genetically around the time agriculture developed. And it sounds like this. Bird number 5. Bird number 5 has a wingspan of 173 centimetres. They are spectacular divers and they pierce the water at speeds of up to 100 kilometres an hour. They sound like this. Bird number 6. Bird number 6 has got a wingspan of 57 centimetres. They are brood parasites. Their brood parasites' eggs can match host species' eggs in colour and pattern. And it sounds like this. Bird number 7. Bird number 7 has a wingspan of only 22 centimetres. Folklore says the bad or good fortune that you bring to this bird will come back to you. And it sounds like this. Bird number 8. Bird number 8 has a wingspan of 36 centimetres. It was made world famous by the Beatles and it sounds like this. Bird number 10. I'm lying to you. This is bird number 9. Bird number 9 has a wingspan of 38 centimetres. Flocks of this bird move in unison and is called a murmuration. It sounds like this. Bird number 10. Bird number 10 has got a wingspan of 56 centimetres. They are considered to have a very high intelligence, similar to great apes. And this is their alarm call. And that's all.